Kekang serang Arya di bang pengamat minengah. Iak mikmat kecik sekau melik ubon pisah. Ukpok lasa nembar, hey menuka. Hayung ngesemen ini miwum yok tang chi tengka.
That's true. Relax guys, I'm coming, the zone is coming back. Hey, hello Khasi people, hope everyone is doing well. So today we are going to check mother versus son and husband versus wife rap battle, guys. This guy here is called, I think, Kong Trash. Yeah, Kong Trash, guys. Yeah, Kong Trash is so funny. He produced amazing content, guys. So I remember I reacted for on him long time back, guys. But I have this short video here, and it's so fun to watch, guys. So let's watch together and enjoy. It's not music, but it's kind of like a comedy. Pnar. Okay, rap battle, Pnar Comedy. Okay, let's check it out. Don't forget, guys. Subscribe now, join the African family, and let's go.
Oh ha, tem usur matu.
Oh uncle, play the beat.
Oh,
Oh ha.
Tem ne.
Mother visit son. Now this is mother visit son rap battle. Let's go.
Kekang serang Arya di bang pengamat minengah. Iak mikmat kecik sekau melik ubon pisah. Ukpok lasa nembar, hey menuka. Hayung ngesemen ini miwum yok tang chi tengka.
That's true. Relax guys, I'm coming, the zone is coming back. Tell them.
Imi akan taga bayong nga itewa roda bna. Dim ko do chiliang ikmat upa na peleka. Kowe ko da kiki upa na din wa kodong yika. Wai ko sa ikitin, hui, was maraja.
You know, those people like chewing that tobacco things. How do you call it, the tobacco in Khasi?
Datung naput hai tayo kajing sna. Walo da ka frinyo na inam ye number ta. Ye wan pa kiki lock yo yoki po selfie ka. Yo post ki hashtag de vino singara.
Where did he got the box of
Kecewa kau set, do wir lu tu isna. Las mala side dem set, yo nga isingara. Kecuali yang lebih, ham kelambing do yang nga. Lakat wars nam katu, injuk baik isulah.
Makan kabay yang ni, hati usok pisah. Untuk kami, pekip telun lembong wami celat. Hakmat yang ni semen, dasnya bahami debat. Hai iwa pek nadi, yo kamu tua saat.
Ini wawak style ternegat ni. Untuk kai porong pi,
I'll tell you who won, guys.
Old school, new school, capi wam tipiki. Laca karkana, update noki ini.
Sangat aku ketua paham labin dia lagi. Tang kebai benar lem yok dia sangat.
Okay, now this is husband. This is
Oh, mesti mi du pun ka, wonti wan mi ulum. Lekat ni ukpo ngadang hab ora Leklam atang kecap mi ngade watlum. Lemrap mi tang cikti de lajar iyung.
Ông bay cả direct sale qua phang ngào bè, rồi chạy cam nhau cam du power lẹ, lực lâm sẽ bị ông anh ấy won yo poi ni, ngắm tổ nong ra ông ngà tổ mystery.
Quick a clap makor, wonti wan mi saram. Islam ka dinosaur tang jing long ta kai rompom. Watok sambil yang mi set a note a ka uang. Matip anawas dang ong a den do kandam.
Mas nhau qua tới được khen phang ngala thích cam mù luôn, cái duty yo ngà tổ bên khá bên phun, khi cam sai thế sai tar tới wom to khi yo ngà, phayang a kut yao ay pada poisa.
Một mi du poisa mau ye ben miet ben ba. Hakap ni ni ko rap chan ka yang wa mi wanga. Iko min ai tane la kau melik wa pon tengka. Kamai ka chini ya ka ram te phul na hapata.
Là dia kat wadi tang chapam juduna, we e batan ya pada dap garama chapata. Ksedo ni kwayo like tinyo pausma, abi klam pates nhau kon pau kwayo nga.
Oh, nga ka bay mi upa mi la do na kle ka tat. Hanga hi uske mi la do ujawa verle na nga hi ukulimi. La via de yong tiao te de kivin iktimi. Wakenya ni uksen te dok mi u auri ma prawa dang semen ale you kun kli. Pigi ru chan rang te dui bam bang don hi. Marsen yo at ari de kan terkti.
Kami jaga tena duki pamen yong i ikam yong chun rang to i kon don hi. Seja sang ni kan tai dui hang don hi. Utiano ga te nga master do live last ni.
Get some sleep. Tomorrow I have work to do. So sad. She lost. she lost this. Okay, you know the winner? The winner for the mother versus son, the first part, mother was the winner, okay? And the second part, the husband. Yeah, husband is the winner, guys, because he just killed it and the girl got mad. You can see the reaction, guys. But I think the word which made her so mad because he be like, you are a woman, only the duty of a man is just to make you pregnant. What the hell is that? Yeah, but it is so fun, guys. This guy is so creative, and I think he loved music also. That is why he made music in a comedy way, and it is so nice. Also, he provides subtitles so easily you can read and you can laugh. It's so amazing, guys. It's this is actually a short video of it in his channel, guys. He has the long video. You can go and watch Kong Trash. His channel is called chuiiung, something like that, guys. Kong Trash. You can watch the full comedy there in his channel, guys. Thank you so much. Love from Africa. Peace out. Bamba Club.